Alright, let's get started. I just finished washing my hair with TGIN's shampoo and conditioner. It smells so good. So, I'm just untwisting my twist from when I combed the conditioner through my hair. Get a little in your eye, girl. And I'm going to prepare my hair for what I'm about to do here. So, just taking the twist out. And as you can see, I have some pretty awesome curls from that shampoo. Shout out to y'all. All right, let's get started. Ocho. So, we have 8 rubber bands that we're going to need for this part. I'm going to start by sectioning my hair into 4 parts. Pretty simple. And they don't have to be even because mine were definitely not even. Ultimately, what you're going to be doing is creating 2 ponytails from each quarter of your hair. So you're going to make 1 into 2. Boom. Okie dokie. Nah, don't want that. So we're going to start off by using Carol's Daughter's Mirabelle Plum leave-in conditioner. I'm going to spray that on 1 entire section of my hair. Keep it moisturized. And this moisturizer smells great. Delicious. So just spray that evenly throughout your hair. And next, we're going to use coconut oil. Girl, you already know how we get down with the coconut oil. Okay? I got a broke nail. Come on, Bonnie. Alright, take a liberal amount. Birdman hand, show that. Alright, and apply that throughout your hair from root to tip. Get it all in there. My coconut oil is like chunky. Like, I don't know why. Sometimes it's not, and then sometimes it is. Now, notice the back of my hair. It's kind of like straight and curly. Birdman hands. 8. So I don't really know why. You know what? That's probably because when my hair gets straightened, I don't know, maybe they go through it a lot in the back. I don't know. Maybe it's softer in the back. I don't know. But it has a curl, but it also is kind of straight. So that's something I'm trying to work on. So comb that conditioner and the coconut oil through your hair with a wide tooth comb. As a natural person, everything you should do is with a wide tooth comb. Take it with a wide tooth comb. You know, some people say take it with a grain of salt. For naturals, y'all take it with a wide tooth comb and just get through it. Don't quote me on that. All right. So what I'm doing now is splitting that corner of my hair into 2 ponytails. Try to make them as even as you can. It's kind of hard. I don't have a mirror. I don't know. All right. And use one of your 8 rubber bands. Put that section up so it doesn't get in your way. And we're going to work with this bit. All right. Watch and learn. So comb through it. And then I'm going to comb through it again with my Denman brush, which I really need for that back part of my hair to make some curls pop back there. And if you comb your hair while you're conditioning it, it makes it a lot easier to deal with. Okay. So that's my TGIN Twist and Define Cream with coconut oil and I think almond oil. It smells weird. It's like a good weird though. Look at me trying to figure out what's really going on in here. Okay. We're going to use it because I bought it from Target and it was dispenser and my handy dandy EcoStyler. Handy dandy EcoStyler. Hey. Alright, you can never go wrong with the green EcoStyler. That's like the original, the OG of EcoStylers. Alright, so you're going to put that piece of your hair up into a ponytail. I use the bands without the metal part on them because that can pull your hair. Oh my gosh. It can pull your hair, so I don't have any metal on my bands. I tried to turn so y'all can see. Look at that, Nate. Okay. And do them actually pretty tight. As tight as you can. As tight as you can, but leave enough space for it. You can do it one more time, but you just don't. So maybe not as tight as you can. Alright, and I just applied some of that TGIN Curl and Define cream on my hair. Okay, we have something. A little bit more, keep on going, keep on going. And come through with the dimming brush. I use that dimming brush a lot because that's going to really, really help when you take this hair out. It's separating the curls. So just then I got some EcoStyler. And I just applied the EcoStyler on the outside of my hair. Very important. Just put the EcoStyler on the outside. You don't have to rub it all through. Okay? And then get the twisting. Get the twisting. Twisting. I don't got no music, by the way, so I don't know what I was dancing to this whole time. Alright? Pretty simple, right? Okay. Twirl it at the end. And voila. You got 1 out of 8 twists. And then you take that other piece down, like that, and do the same thing. And I'm going to speed this up. Alright, so I sped this up for you guys because after this, it's just repetition. This took me about 40 minutes total to do, and I promise you I will never, ever go back to twisting my hair individually. Like 35 twists over my head is dead. That's dead. 8 twists on my hair, some good products, and you can have a defined twist out. Like, who wouldn't want to do this? And I try to do this early in the day. Like I started at like 6 something, so that it can have time to dry. You want to allow some time for this to dry, because if you try to go to sleep with this while it's wet, and it's not going to turn out well. So even if you have to sit under the dryer, I don't know if y'all noticed, but I start using a lot of product, and that's why you can see like a lot of that white residue on the twist. So you don't have to pile it on your hair. You don't have to pile the cream on your hair or the EcoStyler. That's my mama calling y'all. She will interrupt. All right. Girl, that was 40 minutes. You hear me? Hey, get it. Hey. I think this look kind of cute, actually. I'm giving off those Dage Loaf vibes. You feel me? Now, I'm going to come back in the morning and show y'all the finished product. Make sure you have a pick, because I know you see them parts in your head. You're going to need to get them out. All right? Okay. Don't mind me here, because I'm doing whatever. Oh, wait. Some oil. This is some pre-treatment oil, but it has a lot of different oils in it. You're supposed to put it on, whatever. I'm going to put it in my head, on my scalp. Okay. Okay. Y'all, I'm eating some Ben and Jerry ice cream, and this is like called bourbon something something, and it's discontinued. But I don't know why, because this is delicious. It has almond chunks, chocolate chunks, and bourbon flavored ice cream. Like, son, delicioso. Oh, and caramel. Now watch me take this breath like I did something. Girl, you ain't even do nothing. But you are done.